Have you ever wondered what secrets the animal kingdom is keeping from us? Well, it's a treasure trove of mysteries and marvels that often leaves us speechless. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, each creature holds a unique place in our world with their fascinating traits and behaviors. Many of these facts remain unknown to the majority, hidden beneath the surface of their everyday lives. So let's dive into the world of animals and uncover some of their most intriguing secrets. At number 10, we have the fact that the heart of a shrimp is located in its head. A quirk of nature, you may think, but it's an essential part of their anatomy. Unlike us humans, shrimps have their most vital organ nestled between their antennae. It's fascinating how the shrimp's circulatory system functions differently from ours, yet it's perfectly efficient for their life underwater. It certainly gives a whole new meaning to the phrase, thinking with your heart, doesn't it? Quite a heady revelation, isn't it? Moving on to number 9, did you know that a snail can sleep for up to 3 years? That's right, you heard it correctly, 3 years. This prolonged slumber is a survival tactic known as estivation, allowing snails to preserve their energy during periods of extreme heat or dryness. So, while we humans may feel groggy after a long nap, these little creatures are just ensuring their survival in the harshest of conditions. Now, that's what I call a beauty sleep. At number 8, we have the fact that a rhinoceros horn is made of hair. Yes, you heard that right. The horn of a rhino isn't bone or keratin like most animals. It's actually a tightly packed mass of hair-like fibers. This could be compared to how our own hair and nails are made of keratin protein. Surprisingly, it's the same material that's found in bird feathers. This unique composition helps the rhino in various ways, like in battles for territory or mates. Hair-raising, isn't it? Number 7 on our list is the fact that an ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Yes, you heard that right. This unique feature of the ostrich is quite intriguing. Their eyes, roughly the size of a billiard ball, are the largest of any land animal. This gives them an excellent visual range to spot predators from afar. However, their brain is smaller than either of their eyes. This might explain why they are not exactly the Einsteins of the animal kingdom. Now that's a sight for sore eyes. Coming in at number 6 is the fact that a cow gives nearly 200,000 glasses of milk in her lifetime. Imagine that. Just one cow can fill up every glass in a packed football stadium more than twice. It's mind-blowing how much dairy one bovine can produce, isn't it? This goes to show the remarkable efficiency of the dairy production process. And don't forget, each glass of milk is packed with nutrients. That's a whole lot of moo juice. At number 5, we have the fact that bats always turn left when leaving a cave. Isn't that fascinating? This behavior is believed to be a survival tactic. By all exiting in the same direction, bats can avoid collisions and confusion, creating a smoother and safer flight out of the cave. It's also thought that bats may simply find it easier to take off in a leftward direction. So, when it comes to their exit strategy, bats certainly don't leave things to chance. Now that's a left field fact. Number 4 on our list is the fact that a crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. Unlike humans or many other animals, a crocodile's tongue doesn't move freely. It's held in place on the roof of the mouth, so it doesn't move. This makes it impossible for the crocodile to stick it outside its narrow mouth. A design feature that nature perhaps chose for keeping the water out of the crocodile's throat while underwater. Quite fascinating, isn't it? I bet you didn't see that one coming. Coming in at number 3 is the fact that butterflies taste with their feet. Yes, you heard it right. These beautiful creatures have a unique ability that we humans could never imagine. The sensory organs on their feet, known as chemoreceptors, allow them to taste the nectar and other substances they step on. This feature helps them determine whether a plant is suitable for laying eggs. Just imagine, if we had this ability, every stroll could be a gourmet experience. That's a foot full of flavor. At number 2, we have the fact that elephants are the only animals that can't jump. Now, isn't that something? Elephants, despite their impressive size and strength, simply lack the physical capability to lift all 4 feet off the ground at once. It's all down to their unique physiology. Their large size and weight, combined with relatively short and stocky legs, mean that jumping isn't part of their repertoire. So, next time you think of a jumping jumbo, remember, it's more fiction than fact. That's a heavyweight fact. And finally, at number 1, we have the fact that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. This term isn't just a fancy way to describe these vibrant birds. It actually comes from the Old French flamenc, meaning flaming. It's a fitting term, don't you think? After all, flamingos are known for their striking pink feathers and their flamboyant, almost showy behaviors. From synchronized group dances to their one-leg stand, These birds are the epitome of flamboyance in the animal kingdom. Now that's flamboyantly fascinating. So there you have it, folks. A countdown of our most amazing and intriguing animal facts. We've journeyed through the enigmatic animal kingdom, unveiling 10 fascinating truths. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each creature holds a unique secret. Our world is peppered with such wonders waiting to be discovered. So what's your favorite fact? Share and keep the conversation going. Stay curious, stay amazed, and remember, the animal kingdom is full of surprises.